Hello from quarantine. I'm so close to the end, and I swear things are getting harder when you're coming closer to the end. So I thought I would keep myself busy with one final recipe video, and so I'm going to utilise the pasta from the lunch delivery today, which was spaghetti bolognese. Say no more. When I was furiously packing to come here, I stole the good crab out of the fridge. I don't know if my husband even knows yet. I think he's gone pretty feral by this point. But anyway, so I'm gonna make myself a little happy beachside, pretend I'm in Sicily, crab pasta with more sort of rescued ingredients from the meals. So I've stolen a couple of cherry tomatoes from the breakfast plates. And an orange, just to get a bit fruity kind of thing, and what else? I've got the last little dregs of my spinach and kale, which have seen better days, but with quick blanch again, and they'll be fine for tonight. I've got some parsley, salt and pepper for seasoning, until I can get to the real beach side soon enough, but not quite now. This is going to at least make me feel a little bit more happy. Obviously, this is fancy. It was one of my desert island items when I came in, but you know, if you bring in some tuna or some tinned salmon or something like that, anything will do, or some more ripped up chicken from the meals delivered, and for the herbs, so herbs in Hong Kong can be a bit of a pain in the butt keeping them fresh anyway, but my trick, especially here, has been useful. I've just dampened them and my little bag of fresh parsley, and I wrapped it up in some kitchen roll, which is keeping things nice and chilled and fresh in the mini fridge. Try not to crush it, but this method does work for a good few days, and just every time you open it, just pick out all the sort of gnarlier bits. I've just managed to give myself a blooper reel, so stay tuned until the end. Right, I've chopped up my orange. I just quartered it so I could take all the pips out. These oranges are really lovely and sweet, but they're super pippy. So I'm just going to run all my salady bits through the pasta, and then squeeze some juice and run the crab bits through as well. Salt and pepper, and then hopefully we should have a nice little dinner. So the sun has set, so the light's gone a bit weird, but there is my very poorly lit crab orange pasta salad. My love to everyone who has gone through and is going through quarantine. It isn't fun, but for safety and all that, we've got to do what we've got to do. Take care, everyone. Thank you for watching. Blooper incoming. And take care and stay safe.